Two-prong questions on the Pax Silica. First, ano po yung reaksyon ng Malacanang na ang second in command is not yet aware of this big ticket project of the government? And second, ano po yung response ng palasyo at ng administrasyon doon sa mga stakeholder calls para ipasara or wag ituloy yung Pax Silica project?
Sa unang tanong, again, pakiulit una muna tayo.
Ano po yung reaksyon ng palasyo tungkol doon sa fact na ang second in command is not that aware of the government's big ticket project?
I have no comment.
Why so?
Nakita naman natin sa video. So, ano pa ba ang kailangang i-explain? So, hayaan na lang po natin.
On the second point po, ano po yung tugon ng palasyo dun sa calls to stop the Pax Silica project over issues po ng electricity use, water use, as well as yung hindi daw po na-coordinate dun sa mga local stakeholders doon sa site?
Actually, kaya nga po ito ay inihahayag ng ating pamahalaan patungkol sa Pax Silica dahil kung sino man po yung ibang mayroong issue patungkol sa di umano magiging problema sa supply ng tubig, sa supply ng kuryente, lahat pong ito ay isinasaalang-alang ng pamahalaan.
Ma'am, so hindi pa siya done deal because as far as we are concerned, this will be part of the Luzon Economic Corridor that has already been agreed upon even during the Biden administration when President Marcos flew to Washington, D.C. So ibig sabihin po, hindi pa final yung Pax Silica project. May chance pa po na hindi ito ituloy ng Marcos administration? Ganun po ba?
May chance po na mabago ang ibang mga provisions. Kung ano po yung maaari pang mas maging magandang idulot sa ating mga kababayan, sa bansang Pilipinas, and of course, sa mga partners, yun naman po ay isa sa alang-alang.
Ma'am, last from my end on Pax Silica, this kind of message, hindi po ba magsisend siya ng worry towards investors that the president has been trying to court towards the country because it creates uncertainty na meron ng ganitong project but apparently hindi pa po cast in stone yung ibang provisions?
Hindi naman po dahil ngayon po ay talagang inaayos natin. Again, sa may mga issues patungkol po dito, mas maganda po makipag-usap po tayo sa mga concerned agencies patungkol po sa Pax Silica para kung anuman ang inyong mga naiisip na magiging problema, ito po ay mabigyan ng solusyon.
Next question po, Allen Limos, The Manila Times.
Good afternoon, Yusek. Would like to jump on the Pax Silica issue ulit po. There were reports po that Capas Mayor Butch Rodriguez says na, and I quote, although the area is under the administration of BCDA, it's still in Capas and kami yung closest community na maapektuhan. The plan is hindi pa po siya napapresenta sa amin. He also questioned how the government will cushion the environmental impact sa community, and also may reports din po na despite earlier claims of the BCDA, meron nga pong maapektuhan na IP community there, which is the first IP community recorded in the town po. And reaction po.
Actually, because of this issue, minabuti po namin na makausap mismo si BCDA President and CEO Joshua Bincang. At hindi po dapat na hindi makausap ang lahat na maaaring involved. So ito po ang tugon. Ibibigay ko po sa inyo para na rin po sa lahat ng maaari pang magtanong kung bakit hindi sila na-consult or may issue sa ganito, may issue sa ganyan. So ito po ang kanyang mensahe, and I quote, "The Bases Conversion and Development Authority has conducted initial meetings with LGUs and government agencies on New Clark City's development plans, including the proposed Pax Silica initiative. These consultations are ongoing, and we will continue to work closely with these stakeholders as the project progresses. At present, BCDA is undertaking ground assessment activities in the area. These activities are being carried out to ensure that planning and decision-making are based on accurate assessment on the ground and are conducted in a responsible and orderly manner." End of quote. So, kung meron pong pahatid na mensahe, si Kapas Mayor, pinaabot na rin po namin kay CEO Joshua Bingkang para po maaga niya at mabilis niya makausap po si Kapas Mayor.